Coucou mes chers amis! Today we are learning the French direct object pronouns. Les pronoms compléments d'objet direct. To do so, we will take as an example the verb remercier, to thank. Remercier is a transitive verb, just like in English. It needs a direct object to complete the meaning. I thank someone. In a basic French sentence, the direct object pronoun comes right before the verb, unlike in English. I thank you. Je te remercie. Je te remercie. I thank you formal or plural. Je vous remercie. Je vous remercie. I thank them. Je les remercie. Je les remercie. I thank him. Je le remercie. Je le remercie. I thank her. Je la remercie. Je la remercie. So here, le replaces any masculine noun, whether it's a human or inanimate, while la replaces any feminine noun. Why did I mention that? Because in English we often use the pronoun it for inanimate things. I read the book, I read it. I drive the car, I drive it. So in French, le does the same job. It's not only for people, it is also for objects, animals, anything masculine. And la works the same way for feminine nouns. Now, if it's you who is thanking me or us, you thank me. Tu me remercies. Tu me remercies. You thank us. Tu nous remercies. Tu nous remercies. So these direct object pronouns, me, te, le, la, les, nous, vous, are used with all verbs starting with a consonant and verbs starting with an H. Aspiré. You might ask, but H is already a consonant, right? Yes, it is, but in French, the consonant H is a bit special. We have two types of it. H aspiré, which acts like a consonant, and H muet, which acts like a vowel. So all the direct object pronouns we've just seen are used with the verbs starting with a consonant plus verbs starting with H aspiré. For verbs starting with a vowel or H muet, you will need to do a little modifications in some pronouns. We contract all the pronouns ending in a vowel. Me, te, le, la become M apostrophe, T apostrophe, L apostrophe, and L apostrophe. Why? Because in French we don't like when two vowels meet. With the other direct object pronouns nous, vous, les, no change because they end in a consonant, so no vowel clash alert. Let's have some examples. First with a verb starting with a vowel. Aimer, to love or to like. So if you want to say you love me, you should say tu m'aimes instead of tu me aimes. Originally, it's tu me aimes, but since we have that very annoying vowel clash to a French ear, you need to contract M, E into M apostrophe and pronounce it tu m'aimes. You love me. Now, I love you. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. Same thing, same contraction process. I love him. Je l'aime. Je l'aime. And the same rule applies to la. I love her. Je l'aime. Je l'aime. Now let's have an example of a verb starting with H muet. Habiller, like to dress someone. Habiller. I dress you. Je t'habille. Je t'habille. Instead of je te habille, which is incorrect, false in French. Je t'habille. You dress me. Tu m'habilles. Tu m'habilles. Instead of well done. Tu me habilles. Me becomes M'. Why? Because habiller starts with a special H, which needs contractions. Tu m'habilles. H muet. Now, I dress him. Je l'habille. Je l'habille. I dress her. Je l'habille. Same thing. Je l'habille. With the other direct object pronouns nous, vous, les, no change because they end in a consonant, so no vowel clash alert. I thank you, formal or plural. Je vous remercie. I love you, plural or formal. Je vous aime. I dress you, plural or formal. Je vous habille. You thank us. Tu nous remercies. You love us. Tu nous aimes. You dress us. Tu nous habilles. Same thing with les. I thank them. Je les remercie. I love them. Je les aime. I dress them. Je les habille. So the two biggest challenges when using direct object pronouns are figuring out the gender of nouns, is it masculine or feminine, and knowing whether a verb starting with an H is aspiré or H muet, because that affects contraction. But don't stress, I've got you covered. Check out my French gender guide playlist where I'll keep adding videos to help you guess the gender of a noun from its ending. And for the H challenge, I made videos all about verbs starting with H aspiré and H muet, so you will always know whether to contract or not. With these tools, you'll never get stuck. I've got your back. All the links in the description box. So thanks for watching, guys. In upcoming videos, I'll show you how these direct object pronouns behave in more advanced French sentences and in imperative forms. So stay tuned. À la prochaine.